attention to detail stands you out. As an entrepreneur and as a business owner, you must pay attention to details. You must, I repeat again, pay attention to details. If you're the type who, for instance, doesn't like to read the fine print, you must learn to do that. Before you sign agreements, before you sign contracts, before you sign proposals, read through from the start to finish. Whatever is on that document, you must be acquainted with. Get expert opinion, but pay attention to detail. You're walking past your office. Pay attention to what your staff are doing. Pay attention to what they are saying. You're driving past your gate.